Good day. In this video, which is part of a series of videos, we'll be demonstrating how to install Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager for the configuration of a host environment for the installation of Windows Server. At any point in time in this video, you can pause, rewind, or fast forward for your benefit. Let's begin. What is Oracle VirtualBox? A VirtualBox is simply a tool designed for the installation of an operating system on your physical machine without having to reinstall your current operating system. To begin, we navigate to the Oracle website. The link will be in the description, where you will download the host package for VirtualBox. Note that if you're on a different operating system than Windows, you can choose from the list below to download the appropriate package. After the installation of the package is complete, you can run the executable file. Here, you'll then be faced with a pop-up wizard for the installation of the application. On the custom setup screen, you'll see the file path or the location to which the application will be installed, as well as other features that will be installed with the application. Further to the custom setup, you will be faced to choose installation features, which are all user dependent. I will keep all my features on the default setting and click Next. Then you'll be prompted to install the package. After the installation of the package is complete, you'll then be prompted to start Oracle VM VirtualBox. Here, we see the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager dashboard, from which we'll be able to set up or configure a host environment for our Windows Server. Thank you for watching this video, which is part of a series of videos. Please like my video and subscribe to my page. Thank you.